like to introduce you to one of our CPAP machines, the React Health Luna G3. I will show you just a little bit of the anatomy of the machine. We have our power supply plugged in right here. We have this really cool heated tubing that the purpose of the heated tubing is to reduce condensation from building up inside the tubing and getting into your mask. And we'll just plug it in right there. And then it's got this really cool water chamber that pops in and out. Again, with the heated plate on the bottom, so when it's connected, it's gonna start heating up that plate and warming the water. The Luna G3 comes with a 2-year warranty. Thank you for choosing GoCPAP.com. We hope to see you soon. And shop our wide range of accessories at GoCPAP.com.